Welcome to the Edified Equity Podcast. My name is Dino, CEO of Edified Equity, and here we focus on all the unique benefits associated with being a passive equity investor in an apartment syndication. You can learn more about us on the web, iTunes, Stitcher, BiggerPockets, YouTube, and Facebook. I'll have all the associated links in the comments and show notes. Today I want to take a brief moment and talk to you about leveraging an experienced team and other investors through syndication and what that can do for you as an equity investor. So there are obviously numerous benefits associated with being an equity investor. I've created an entire complimentary education program about that on Facebook and also this podcast. So there's no doubt there's benefits there. Unfortunately, it's an under the radar alternative investment, and I am on a mission to get the word out. But the operators, and when we say operators, you might also relate to this as a general partnership team or managing members. But this is the group of individuals that are in charge of the business. They know how to manage and operate multifamily apartment communities. They know how to find them. They know how to underwrite them. They know how to get financing for them. They qualify for financing for them. So this is your trusted, experienced team. They spend a ton of time putting together these lucrative opportunities, offering you a true turnkey plug-and-play opportunity so that you can receive the cash flow, the unique tax benefits, and profit in this syndication opportunity or the said syndication opportunity at hand. There's obviously multiple of these. But what I want to do today is list off a few of the key team members that they have vetted, they have researched, and they have also put into place for a specific direct investment unique opportunity. And then we're going to hone in on two of the major key players. So here's a few. And there's more, but they are going to put together the property manager. I'm just listing these off in future podcasts. We can go into detail because, for example, the property management team can also be seen as the quarterback, and the operational team, the team of operators, general partners, the managing members are like the coach. So property managers. Super important. Could be the backbone to the investment. Brokers, the property inspector, real estate attorneys, SEC attorneys, tenant landlord attorney, commercial brokers, commercial lenders, insurance agents, appraisers. Not that we have a ton of say-so on who's going to appraise, but we do network with appraisers because they have insight information. Sellers, contractors. So now I want to hone in and leverage and talk to you about leveraging the possibilities and scalabilities with the two key team players. And in future episodes, we'll go back and talk about the one that I just listed. But number one, like-minded passive equity investors. So that's a key team player for you. And you may or may not ever even know these people, but they participate with you in purchasing multiple doors versus you alone investing into a single family. That's a huge benefit to you. Number one, just look at occupancy. One door, one vacancy, 100% vacant. 56 doors, 156 doors, 556 doors, one vacancy is really not a big deal. And again, your operating team is going to underwrite for vacancy anyhow. But you have the ability to plug in to like-minded individuals who know about this alternative investment, see the value, and say, hey, I'm going to syndicate this apartment community, and together we're going to impact the community alongside bring in a financial gain. And number two is that trusted team of operators that I've been talking about. These are the people that have the experience and the track record. They're driving the business. In addition to finding and vetting all of those other key team players, They are providing a turnkey opportunity for you. They're doing the paper due diligence. They're sending in letters of intent. They're sending in the contracts. On top of that, they are underwriting tons of deals. It's literally looking for a needle in a haystack. They're researching markets. Is this an emerging market? Is this market growing rapidly? Can it support this business? They're building relationships and trust with your equity partners. These equity partners, which was key team player number one that I mentioned, you don't have to go out and find those people. They're doing that for you through investor relations, which is another huge benefit there. And they're building trust with them, and they're doing all the due diligence. And I can go associated with the business, and I can go on and on and on. But with tapping into those two key players, your equity partners, as well as your trusted team of operators, the general partners or the managing members, allows you to tap into this turnkey opportunity. So partnering with those two key players, obviously a huge benefit and asset to you. And what it allows you to do is focus in on what's important to you. Your charity organizations, time freedom, more family time, traveling, helping others. And you're doing that simply by investing into an apartment syndication, because we're going to do some impact investments here. Retirement, you can focus on retirement. Some people like to put their cash to work simply so they have a stream to live off of, which is much safer than saving that pile and wanting to live off of the pile. You're battling inflation, and we talked about that in other episodes. You can also focus on making more money. If you're like me and you love what you do, you want to make more money and put it to work into these syndications, it's an excellent opportunity. And it just allows you, I can go on to the benefits, but it allows you to live the cash flow life. It allows you to live life on your terms, and it's a superior investment. And again, unfortunately, it's flown under the radar, and part of my mission is to get the word out there. So whether you're here for education, the entertainment, or if you or someone you know is having a problem finding a place to park your money so that it goes to work for you, it pays you regularly, it's tax sheltered, and it helps you earn profits, please help them by sharing this information. I don't have anything to sell, but I am on a mission, and I'm going to continue to put out consultative, quality, educational content on a routine basis. Thanks for tuning in. Make it a great day. You certainly deserve it. It's your wealth. Signing off. Goodbye.